One of the beauties of living in Eastern Washington is we get to work with really high caliber individuals. The farmers that we work with, and then their kids that come to us, they work hard. When people come to our winery, they get to experience a sense of joy and employees that share this incredible lifestyle that we really are very blessed to enjoy. What makes Washington State viticulture so amazing is that we can get to control the amount of water that we put on our vines. We get about 2 hours more sunlight a day than they do in Napa Valley. And so as a result, we get these extended evenings well into 9:30, almost close to 10 o'clock at night, where the sun is shining on the vines. We get great day-night temperature swings, and as a result, we can get full ripeness, and then these gorgeous cool evenings, really cool nights will retain the natural malic acid in the wine, and as a result we can get this great balance of fruit and flavor. So my family and I have really enjoyed working with our crew here, and this lifestyle affords us this ability that our children get to work and enjoy working in the fields and working in the winery, going out and actually pouring wine for people. That sense of satisfaction that we have collectively as a family is wonderful, and there's nothing more rewarding than that. So when you come to Owen Roe, this is what you get to experience. The Union Gap Estate is all of this and more. Cheers.